Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a YouTube channel on mobile. This action is permanent and removes all your content, including videos and comments, so proceed with careful thought. Always confirm you are logged into the exact Google account linked to the channel you intend to delete. Taking this important first step prevents accidental deletions on other accounts. You cannot delete a channel using the regular YouTube mobile application, so please open your mobile browser instead. Head to Studio. YouTube.com, then look for your browser settings menu, often 3 dots or lines. From there, select the option to request desktop site, which will display the full Studio interface. This crucial step provides access to the necessary channel management tools. Once in YouTube Studio's desktop view, locate the small gear icon in the bottom left corner, which opens your settings. Click on this, and a new menu will appear on the left side of your screen. From that menu, select Channel. Then, within the channel options, proceed to the Advanced Settings tab. This section contains the specific tools needed for channel management. On the Advanced Settings page, scroll all the way down until you see an option labeled Remove YouTube Content. Clicking this will prompt you to securely sign in again using your Google account credentials, which is a vital security measure. After successfully signing in, you will be presented with a choice. Select I want to permanently delete my content to continue the process. This confirms your intent to proceed with removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.